Quick walk down by the river. Food, I'm tired already. There's a rain and thunderstorm. I saw the rain. Mm. But it's quick walk down by the river. Whew. Swift, swift walking. I'm actually walking fast today. Whew. Swift, 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 and quick. The ground is so wet because it rained this morning. The river is so peaceful. Hey, so peaceful. The river. Want to see it, guys? So peaceful. Everywhere. So peaceful. I'm gonna sit in the sun a little bit. The river, very peaceful river. Very peaceful river. Very peaceful. Down by the road, down by the sea. So peaceful today. The birds having a field day and poo up all over the place. So let me sit here in the sun a little bit. Guys, I don't know if it's the river there. Wow. So calm. The calm before the storm. The calm before the storm is this river. The calm before the storm. Feel like I want to just walk to the river and back. So I'm going back. I'm going back. I did the walk to the river, so I'm going back. And it's hot. I need to take off the sweater out here. Hot. Out here is so hot now, guys. And this morning it was raining. See the sky above? Ooh, look at my friends. I found some squirrel friends. Look at them. Squirrel and bird habitating in one environment. Look. See it? See it? Squirrel. 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 He might run on the bird. The squirrel I run on the bird, you know. See the bird? The bird I run from the squirrel. Squirrel I run. Squirrel, eh? Gone up in the tree. What such excitement. Gone up in the tree. And in that, ooh, he's coming. Squirrel. 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 Somebody wants to see you. Or the next one gone up in the tree, see that? See that tree there? Can you see? In the tree. This in the tree. Oh, they climb. They climb, man. Hi. They climbs. It's coming from the canteen. Food. Squirrel climb. I didn't even realize that. Did you guys know that squirrel can climb? Did you know that squirrel are climbers? Did you know that, guys? Squirrel are climbers. That tree there pretty. Look like snow upon it. Upon it, guys. Look like snow upon it. Look there. So pretty. Like it have frosted flakes. Like frosted flakes. Mm-hmm. Like frosted flakes. Hi. Like up the live, share. Like up the live and share. Like up the live and share. Like up the live and share. Like up the live, guys, and share. Out here, it's hot. The rain that fall makes it so hot. That means it's gonna rain again. That means it's gonna rain again, guys. I wanted to go over on the other side. Whew. Sunshine. No shade. No shade. A bit of shade. A bit of shade. Guys, today is a lazy day. Oh, watch the train. I missed it. See there? See the train there? We missed it. Where it is. See there, guys? We missed it. Train. It's a long one. And we missed it. Train. You seen it, guys? It's a long one. We missed it. We missed it. It's a long, long one. Woo! The train is a long, long one. It's still going, still going, still going, still going, still going. This is a huge cargo train. See it? Still going. Wow. I should have been there. Why did I left? It's still going. Still going. It's still going. See it? It's still going. The train is still going. I've been here more than a minute now. See it? I'm gonna pull it up some more for you guys to see it. See it? Still going, still going, still going, still going, still going, still going. The train is still going. See it? It's still going. The train is still going. All know. All know. I should have been down there. It's all know, guys. It's still going. How did I miss that? And the day when it's a lazy day, look how we miss the opportunity of seeing an entire train goes by. Look at that. Still going. Still going, still going, still going. It's a lot of food it's carrying. A lot of food. Oh, he's walking right around. It's carrying a lot of food. Yes. The beautiful train. Let's see if it's still a go. Seems so. Still going, you know, guys. The train's still going. I'm so sorry I couldn't have let you all see it. So the moral of the story, in your least expectations, you get the opportunity to see things that is very interesting. In your least expectation, let's look at that. Look how we missed the train. Just missed the train. Let's sit down a little bit. We missed the train. Hi. We missed the train opportunity. We just miss it, so I could sit down a little bit, guys, on these beautiful furniture and just relax. Relax, guys, relax, relax, relax. Relax, relax, relax. Relaxation time. The motivation for today is that even when you feel like you don't want to go, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. You never know the opportunity you're gonna miss if you miss your chance of going wherever you're going. So keep pushing. Don't give up. Just keep pushing. Okay? That's the moral of today's motivation. Never stop, never stop, never stop. Just keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Yeah. That's so I'm gonna sign out. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you for stopping by. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Do that. Okay, and I will see you tomorrow or whenever, or in a video in my next post. I'll see you guys. Okay. Bye, bye, bye. Take care. Have a great weekend. Have a godly weekend. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you're lost having an anniversary, happy anniversary. If you lost a family member or a friend, my sincere sympathy to you all. Okay? So until my next video, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Peace out.